Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if in App Store in-app purchase not working, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, just find here general, here just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general, just find here screen time. In screen time, just open content and privacy restrictions, and here you need to find iTunes and App Store purchase, so just open it. Now just open in-app purchase, and here you need to choose allow. So after you choose it, just try again for buying in-app purchase, and if you still have this error, so just try to sign out from your Apple ID and just sign in again. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.